Hi, dear students, and you all are going to study about a new subject, that is accountancy, because after 10th standard you all are going to study in 11th a new subject, that is accountancy. So whenever we study accountancy, first of all we want to know about accounting. Okay, so we know that whenever in our house also, on our home also, whenever we purchasing, we are receiving different sources, we are receiving income, that money we are spending, right? So whenever we spending money, we will how to find out how much money we received, how much money we have to we spend. These all things we will note down somewhere. Same way in business organizations or profit making or non-profit making business organizations, the organization how to see that how much money is coming, how much money is going. So these all we have to record, right? So proper recording is needed. So whenever we are recording, so normally business organizations maintain two books. One is ledger book, journal is the first, journal book and ledger book. So every business organizations maintain two major books. One is journal and second is ledger. These books or details we will study later. Just to remember that normally we are maintaining two books. So these two books only we are recording the transactions. Okay, so normally we will say that beginning time, whenever this accounting is invented in the beginning, we are saying that it is a just bookkeeping. Bookkeeping means whatever events happening that we are recording in the books. That's it is, we are maintaining books. Normally which are the books? Journal and ledger books. So maintaining books, that was bookkeeping. But now we cannot say that accounting is just maintaining books of accounts. We have to go through so many different process. So that is mainly accounting now. So here I will explain to you which are the process through which this account will go through. So here I written a small definition. Accounting can be defined as the process of identifying, measuring, recording and communicating the required information relating to the economic events of an organization to the interested users of such information. So here we understood accounting is a process. Okay, so it is a process. What process it is? It is identifying. Here identifying means we know in business, in an organization, so many types of activities are happening. So we can see that activities can be mainly two types, economic and non-economic activities. So we should identify which activities are economic, which activities are non-economic. Example, if you say if you purchase goods, that is an economic activity, right? It is an economic transaction. When you selling goods, cash is coming, so it is an economic transaction. You know, we are appointing a manager. That is not considered as an economic activity. We just measure efficiency of a manager. These all we cannot consider as an economic activity. So one manager is an efficient manager. One worker is a highly potential. This kind of things when we saying that are not economic. So some transactions or events which we can are economical or economic activity that we have to identify. We cannot say economic activities we have to identify. That means the transactions which we can measure in terms of money. For efficiency of a manager we cannot measure in terms of money. Appointing a manager we cannot measure in terms of money. Okay, so potential of a worker we cannot measure in terms of money. So remember, the transactions which we can measure in terms of money we have to identify first. That process is known as identify. After identifying, we have to measure. Measure means, suppose purchase the goods, then we have to measure how much rupees goods we purchased. Sold goods, how much rupees goods we sold. So we have identified transactions. We said which type of transactions we have to identify, which we can measure in terms of money. So that transactions we have to measure, proper measurement we have to do. So measuring means the transactions we have to measure in terms of money or in monetary terms. So we identify purchase of goods is an economic transaction. So then we have to measure how much rupees goods we purchase. That process we will say measuring. Okay, I given an example only. Then first identified the economic transaction. Then we measured it in the monetary terms. After measuring whatever economic transactions which we measured in monetary terms, we have to record in the books. So which are the books? I already said, journal and ledger, main books. So we have to record the transactions in the books of account. That process we will call the name recording. So we are writing the measured or identified transactions in the books of accounts, that is known as recording. So after recording, then what we have to do? We know that we are recording in journal and ledger. Then later on communicating the required information. So some people need some relevant information. That information we have to communicate to them. Communicate means we know the transferring the messages, right? So ideas we are sharing is communicating. So here after recording the transactions, whatever relevant information whoever need, we have to communicate with them. Whichever information is relating to the economic events of an organization. So which organizations information, that is which kind of information, economic events related information we have to communicate. To whom we have to communicate? To the interested users of such information. Such kind of information who are interested. Normally interested users can be of two types. One is internal and external. Internal means the users who are within the organization. External users means who are outside the organization. So if a business organization is concerned, who are insiders means board of directors, then other chairman, vice chairman, CEO, chief executive officer, chief finance officer. Like these members we will say that internal users. External users means income tax authorities, other government authorities, bank, other creditors. So who are lending, investing money in our business, these all people are belong outsiders. So they all also want to know about the information related to the economic events of the organization, right? These all process together we will call as accounting. So accounting is not a simple thing, it is a wide term. Now so many processes are involved. We have to identify the economic events. We have to measure the transactions in monetary terms. The measured transactions we have to record in the books. Which are the books we have to? Journal and ledger. We have to record in journal and ledger. And we have to communicate the required information related to economic events of an organization to whom? To the interested users of such information. Who are the interested users? External users and internal users. Who are external users? Who are outside the organization, like a bank, income tax authorities, sales tax authorities, from whom we are borrowing money, that is creditors and all. So to whoever need, we have to communicate the information with them. This all in the form of different reports. Normally we will call the name financial statement. At the end of every year we will prepare some financial statement in the form of different reports. These reports only the required information who need this interested users. This all process together we will call the name accounting. Okay. So accounting is not just bookkeeping. It is a wide term, not only recording or maintaining books. It includes identifying, measuring, recording and communicating the required information related to the economic events of an organization to the interested users of such information. Here you can see the accounting process I depicted through a diagram. So this is the accounting process. See, here accounting links decision makers with economic events and with the result of their decisions. So this accounting is a link between decision makers and economic activities on the decision. What are the events or result of their decisions? Here we can see that here some economic events. Okay, these economic events we will go through the accounting process. Then we have to, from that we will get some report. That report we will communicate it to the accounting information to whom? The internal and external users. They will take some decisions. Then again economic events. Then through the accounting process we are communicating the accounting information to the interested users, that is internal and external users. So accounting links decision makers with economic activities and with the result of their decisions. So this is the meaning or definition of accounting. So just to know about, once again I will say, accounting can be defined as the process of identifying, measuring, recording and communicating the required information relating to the economic events of an organization to the interested users of such information. Okay, so this each and every word meaning how to study well. Okay, I think you all understood very clearly. So once again not understood, again go through this video, then you will get a clear idea. Okay, thank you so much.